got this Steelseries gaming, Apex Pro gaming, the world's fastest gaming keyboard in the mail. So I'm about to go surprise my boy with it and do an unboxing and review. We already got a Fortnite game going here.
Okay, so this is the Steelseries. It's a gaming keyboard, and yeah, I'm gonna unbox it. And okay. What? Does it come with a mouse? Okay, this is actually the this part of your hand is where you rest it. Then you like hook it up to the keyboard and rest it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So this is a mechanical keyboard, and it's very clicky, and that's sick. Okay, let's put this thing on, and then just plug that in like that.
Sweet. Let me test it out. Oh, that is nice.
Yeah.
It's got some good action on it.
Yep.
Oh, nice.
And I'm pretty sure this, like, you press a button and it shows a little GIF or something, like.
Okay, we'll check it out.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Okay.
Alright, we'll plug it in.
Sweet.
I'm supposed to plug it into a PC, but hopefully it'll still work. Yeah, this way. There we go. And as you can see,
Oh, nice.
it has some LEDs in it. Yep.
We'll be able to use this for the gaming PC.
Dang, that's so sick.
All right, let's see some Fortnite action with it.
Okay.
All right. All right, here's how it looks with the lights out. Oh, that's sweet.
Sick. It's very satisfying. As you can see, it's controls everything good, and you know, you can do 90s good. Nope, I sucked, but it's a very good keyboard. Here, these keys with a bit of pressure, they can come off, and you can
Nice.
see the LEDs, and
Oh, that's cool.
yep.